Goose found in flight control of medical helicopter that crashed in Oklahoma, bleep 3. Associated Press. A dead goose was found in part of the flight control system of a medical helicopter that crashed in western Oklahoma, bleep all 3 people on board, according to a preliminary report by the National Transportation Safety Board. The report does not cite a suspected cause of the crash, but noted 1 goose was found in the helicopter's flight control system and others were found in the debris field. The helicopter crashed Jan. 20 in a pasture near Hydro, about 60 miles (97 kilometers) west of. Below are your comments. I saw an interesting program a few years ago. It was about airports in Africa that hire people with a team of dogs to chase out animals around the airport grounds. Apparently, those areas are teeming with wildlife and pose a hazard to planes and the people in them. The dogs do not attack the ani. A report on the probable cause could take up to 2 years to complete, according to the NTSB. It was a flock of geese. I did it in 30 seconds. 3 people died trying to help someone in need. They are heroes, quite the opposite of some of the respondents here. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up.